and welcome back to another exciting real fun adventure here in our channel. Hi, I'm David Bermudez with Starbread Productions. Today, we will lead you to where the railroad action is. So sit back and relax with your favorite drinks and snacks and enjoy the video. Let's go! Watch some trains!
PRC.
Look up Rail Fanning in Kissimmee, June 2021. Rail Fanning in Kissimmee, June 2021.
What's the first word?
Rail Fanning.
Rail Fanning. Here it comes. Jolly's all you got.
To north, clear, single. Clear Jack Calhoun and a clear South Kissimmee, track 2, over. Back to the engine station, we're complete, platform clear, ready to deploy, stop and block.
Here we go.
Fix the car.
Sunrail coming next, same from that direction.
Sanders 320, over.
Maybe it's an illusion, but when those things go by me, close, within 7 feet when you're on the platform, I can feel the mass in my body of that thing going by. Is that possible? That is a definite. It's a strange.
The train look to marketplace, have a
It's like gravity going through your.
No.
Here comes your
Hey,
sunrail.
thank you, Mr. Yurdy. Y'all got your markers as well. Y'all have a safe rest of your trip.
Take care now.
At T322 with the 110 link, you have Jay Sanders permission, speed milepost
806.23 and the 806.20 northbound on all tracks, authorized speed, all men equipment are in the clear, over.
1421, over.
1421, thank you very much. Today I'm trying to feel 97 138 clear, south Kissimmee. Track 1 south, over.
Yeah.
That's correct, 1421, over. 1421, thanks. Kilo 97, engine 138, track 1 south, over. 322 north, approach limited middle city. Track 2 to single main, over.
Thank you all so much for watching our video today. I hope all of you enjoyed it as much as we did. Please tune in next time as we bring you more exciting real fun videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time everyone, bye bye for now.